Minor salivary gland tumors, a retrospective study of cases treated in a teaching hospital, Kaduna, Nigeria. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Tumors of the minor salivary glands occurring in the oral cavity are uncommon. The oral cavity has many tiny salivary glands, which occur in the lip, palate, floor of the mouth, cheeks, tongue and pharynx. Tumors could develop from any of these minor salivary glands. The tumors of the minor salivary glands have an insidious onset, oftentimes noticed when the tumor interferes with oral functions such as swallowing, speech, and breathing, or when there are associated pains. The incidence of these tumors varies with age, sex, and ethnicity. The objective of this study is to investigate the nature, clinical features, pathology, and treatment of these tumors in Northwest Nigeria. This was a retrospective study of all patients with minor salivary gland tumors that were treated at Baro Dikko Teaching Hospital, Kaduna, Nigeria. The study covered a period of 11 years from January 2009 to December 2019. Information was extracted from case files of patients. Data collected includes age of patient at presentation, sex, location of tumor, clinical features, treatment, complications, and histological diagnosis. Data obtained were analyzed using Statistical Package for Social Science SPSS, version 20.0. The age of the patients ranged from 16 to 70 years, with the mean SD is equal to 43.0 plus or minus 6.6 years, and the male to female ratio was 1:2. Benign tumors were the most common compared to malignancies. The palate was the commonest site of occurrence, followed by the upper lip. The treatment was surgical excision. Malignant cases received post-surgery chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Palatal fistula was the most common complication of the surgery. Pleomorphic adenoma was the most common tumor in this study. Tumors in the palate interfere with oral functions and destroy maxillary bone, resulting in untoward debilitating effects. Introduction. Salivary gland tumors (SGTs) are rare growths that can appear in the mouth and head area. They are difficult to diagnose because they come in many types and affect different areas. Minor salivary gland tumors, which can be found in places like the lips, palate, and cheeks, are less common but tend to have worse outcomes than major salivary gland tumors. These tumors may grow slowly and painlessly or cause discomfort and ulceration. While most are not cancerous, about 1 in 5 are malignant. The cause is unclear. The factors like radiation and infections may play a role. Diagnosis involves scans and tissue testing, but certain procedures can increase the risk of spreading the tumor. Surgery is the main treatment, sometimes followed by radiation or chemotherapy. This study from northern Nigeria emphasizes the need for early detection and treatment to improve patient outcomes and quality of life. Conclusion. Intraoral salivary gland tumors cause significant impairment of oral functions, therefore urgent treatment is required to reduce the morbidity associated with the surgery. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to To watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine,